Hello grade 2, so here we have our lesson 2 of unit 10. What are magnets? So, a magnet is an object that can pull things made of iron and steel. A magnet can push or pull other magnets. A magnet has two poles. So, here is our magnet. In a magnet we have two poles. This is the pole. A pole is a place on a magnet where the pull is the greatest. On one pole is the north-seeking pole. Here is the north one. We call it N. The other pole is the south-seeking pole, which is the S. So here is the north and here is the south. So this is a bar magnet. We have here the horseshoe magnet, and here we have the ring magnets. Those are three kind of magnets, but it's basically the same thing. Here we have the south, here we have the north, here we have the south, here we have the north pole, and here is the south pole, and here is the north pole. What you should know is like poles or poles that are the same repel each other. Repel means to push away from each other. Unfortunately, I don't have magnets here to show you, but in school we used to put the same poles together. So if you have magnets in your house, please try to do it. Just bring the magnets and put the same poles together. For example, N with N or S with S. The N with N, or when you put N and N in front of each other, or the S of S, it means when you put two same poles together, they're gonna repel. Repel, it means they're gonna push away. They're gonna push away. They will not get connected. They're gonna push away. The opposite thing is when you're gonna put two opposite poles. For example, the north with the south, or with the south with the north. When you're gonna do them, they're gonna attract. Attract means to pull towards something. It means they're gonna connect to each other. They're gonna stick together. Okay? Here they said draw two bar magnets to show another way you can repel. Basically here, this is what you're gonna draw. You're gonna draw, this is a bar magnet. Okay, I'm just gonna draw it randomly. Please, you can draw and color it pretty well. So here is the S. You're gonna put the blue here and color it blue. And here is the N. And you really need to do this sign over here. It means they repel. Okay. Here we have some pictures of magnets and how we use magnets. Okay. Draw a way you can use a magnet. They ask you to draw any way that you can use a magnet. Actually, we can use magnet to separate steel things or things that are made of iron from the other things, like from the wood or the plastic. So if we want only to take the iron stuff, we're gonna use magnets. So here they said circle the object a magnet can attract. So basically we all know what a magnet could attract. So we're gonna circle them. Of course, a magnet will attract this and this. So because I can't write with one hand, let me use my beautiful book. So now number 2, they said answer it. Circle true or false to describe the statement. A magnet must touch an object to attract it. Is it true? No, a magnet doesn't have to really touch an object to attract it. Just from, if there is a small space, it's fine too. And it depends how the magnet is big and how the magnet is strong. Okay, but it's false. Okay, draw a way you can use a magnet. You can draw any way. Here they told you show magnetic letters on our refrigerator. You can draw anything you want. Feel free to draw them. Now here we have just like a letter, as I can see, and you can use those words on them. Now, thanks for the science kit. I like the magnets the best. They make some objects move without touching them. I used the big magnet to attract an iron nail. Each magnet has two places where the pull is the strongest. These places are called poles. When two poles that are the same are pointed toward each other, they repel, they push apart really hard. Your niece Olivia. So yeah, that's it, grade 2 for today and for your Unit 10 and for your science book. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you understand it. Goodbye. Love you.